Now look at the question number 5. It's given it's a rectangle and then one triangle. It's a combination of rectangle and triangle. That vertices of triangle A, B, C. Vertex is a singular. Vertices is a plural. Vertices, vertex, it's a singular. Okay. So ABE, the vertices of a triangle ABE, and then vertices of a quadrilateral rectangle, that is BCDE. Okay. Now it's 5 by 2 centimeter. The length of AB is 5 by 2 centimeter, and then the length of AE 3 by 5 centimeter. 3 by 5 centimeter. After that, the length of BE, it is given that 3 by 4 centimeter. It's a mixed fraction. And then CD, it's not given, but CD not given, but we can write the length of CD, because in a rectangle what, the two parts of opposite sides are equal. If the value of BC is given, then BE is given, then you can able to write the which one, the length of CD you can write. Okay. Then here, after that, here we know any one of the value of either BC or DE. Here DE it is given that 7 by 6 centimeter. 7 by 6 centimeter. If DE is 7 by 6 centimeter, then BE is also 7 by 6 centimeter, because in a rectangle, two pairs of opposite sides are equal. Two pairs of opposite sides are equal. Now what you have to find? It is question number 5. Now what you have to find? You have to find the perimeter of the triangle ABE as well as the perimeter of the triangle, perimeter of the quadrilateral, that is rectangle BCD. You have to find which perimeter is greater. Okay. First we will find the which one, perimeter of triangle ABE. We will find perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter of triangle ABE. That is AB plus BE plus EA. Right? What is my perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but sum of the length of its boundary. Okay. Now AB is what? AB plus, okay, we will write once. AB plus BE plus AE here. Here AB is 5 by 2. Then BE is 3 by 4. Then AE is 3 by 5. So when we are finding the perimeter or area, before that you have to ensure whether all the measurements should be in the same units. Here everything is given in centimeter only, so you need not to convert. Otherwise, if it is given in one in meter, another one is in centimeter, you have to convert into the same unit. Am I right here? Yeah. Now 5 by 2. First you convert this mixed fraction into an improper one. So 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 is nothing but 11 by 4. Then 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18 by 5. 18 by 5. Now these three fractions are what? Unlike fraction. These three fractions are what? Unlike fraction. So when we are performing addition or subtraction, you have to make all the unlike fraction into like fraction. After that only you can perform either addition or subtraction. For multiplication and division, that fraction need not to be a like fraction. Please remember. Already we discussed also. Now these three fractions are unlike. So what you have to do? You have to take the LCM for that. Now LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is nothing but how much dear? 20. Yeah. 2, 4, 5. Take the LCM now. It goes with 2 table now. 1, 2 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 5. Then 2 again. 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2 is 2. 5 here. Again 5 table. 1 into 1 into 1. 1 comma 1 comma 1. So LCM of 2 comma 4 comma 5 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 20. 2 2 is 4. 4 5 is what? 20. Am I right here? Yes. Now, which number is multiplied by these two? You will get as 20. 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. Am I right here? Yes. Then 11 by 4 here. Which number is multiplied by 4? You will get as 20. 5. So 11 into 5. Then 18 by 5. Which number is multiplied by 5? You will get as 22. So 4. 5 4s are 20. Am I right here? Yeah. Now 5 tens are 50. Plus 11 5s are 55 plus 18 4s are 72. 18 4s are 72 by 20. Now adding all this, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. So 177 by 20 here. 177 by 20 here. Am I right here? Yeah. Now we found the area of the triangle ABE. Now we will find the perimeter of, we found the perimeter of the triangle, and then now we have to find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle BCDE you have to find. Okay. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 times of length plus breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times of, that is which one, BE plus BC. 2 times of BE plus BC. Okay. Then 2 times of BE is what? 2 times of BE plus BC. 2 times of BE plus BC here. That BE is nothing but 2 3 by 4 plus BC is 7 by 6. So 2 times of 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. So now what is the LCM of 6 and 4? How much? 24 or what? No. 6 and 4 are not a co-prime number. Am I right? If it is a co-prime number, then you can multiply this 2. 4 into 6 is 24. So 4 6 are 12. That 4 comma 6. That LCM should be 12. See, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So LCM is what? These two are co-prime number. So we can stop it here. So 2 into 2 into 3. That is nothing but 12 here. Am I right here? Yeah. Now, so 2 into which number is multiplied by 4? You will get as 12. 3 should be multiplied. So 11 into 3. Plus here 7 by 6. Which number should be multiplied? 2 should be multiplied. So 2 times of 33 plus 14 by 12 here. 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. 33 plus 14. It is 47 by 6. So we found the perimeter of triangle as well as rectangle, and then they asked us to compare which one is greater. Okay. Here the perimeter of the triangle we got 177 by 20 here, but we got here 47 by 6. But these two fractions are what? Not a like fraction, unlike fraction. So what you have to do? Again you have to find the LCM for that. Again you have to find the LCM for that, because these two fractions are unlike fraction. Am I right? 177 by 20. Another one is what? 47 by 6. So obviously these two fractions are not a like fraction. So now what you have to compare these two fractions, but these two fractions are not a like fractions. So what you have to do? You have to take the LCM. So LCM of 20 and 6 is nothing but 2. 10 2s are 20, 3 2s are 6. Now 10 and 3 are co-prime number. So 2 10s are 20. 20 into 3 is 60. That LCM should be 60 here. 2 into 10 into 3, 60. Now 177 by 20. Which number should be multiplied with 20? You will get a 60. Yes, 3 should be multiplied. 7 3s are 21. 2. Again 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. Then 2 carry over. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 531 by 60. Am I right here? Yes. Then 47 by 6 here. Which number should be multiplied with this? You will get a 60. 10 should be multiplied. So 47 into 10 is 470 by 60. Now you can compare. These two fractions are like fractions. Which one is greater? 531 by 60 should be greater. So it is greater. So it is perimeter of the rectangle. So therefore the perimeter of the rectangle is greater than the perimeter of the perimeter of the triangle is greater than the perimeter of the rectangle. Are you getting here? Perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCD. Are you getting here? Yes. So we completed the question number 5, and then tomorrow we will start the question number. We will do question number 6 and 7. Thank you everybody. Thank you.